This is one of the items I picked up at the car boot sale today. It's a picture of a DG4 Sentinel steam wagon. I had a run in a DG8 Sentinel steam wagon 2 or 3 weeks ago when I did a bit of video on that. This was for sale at the car boot sale this morning. I got it for £3. It's an excellent picture. The wife may want it in the house. If not, I'll put it up in my garage. But I think she might have it in the house. I'll get a closer shot of that so you can have a good look at it. This was today's star buy at the boot sale. It's a Benbow professional tripod. Real good quality, English made one. When these are new, they're between 250 and £300. It's got a professional ball head on the top as well, swivel ball head. It's a sort of tripod, people that photograph birds and crocodiles and that sort of thing, it's a sort of tripod they use. The legs are different to ordinary tripod legs. The bottoms are sealed so you can put them in the water out of there. It doesn't work like an ordinary tripod. It's got a big clamp there and all these parts pivot, so there's no limit to the amount of adjustment the tripod actually has. It's like a set of bagpipes on a tripod that's pissed. I'll show you how it works. It's got 3 legs, obviously that's why it's called a tripod. Tri means 3. It's got 3 legs like that, you can orientate any way you want. It also has the 4th leg, so to speak, which got the camera mount on, and that can go basically anywhere you want it. It's got a big bolt there that locks it all up, and it is very, very strong and very stable. This will be good for poking over the top of milling machines. I'll get some real good shots with this. As I said before, it's also got a ball head on so you can put the camera any angle you want. It's got a nice professional quick release mount on. This is all metal construction as well, there's no plastic at all involved in it. Got something you can clip from there. You press it down and that snaps into place. A little brass pin there. As quick as that. Just standard 1/4 Whitworth camera mount. That screws into there. And that simply clips into there. You press down and that's the camera locked on very securely. Slid well out from the tripod, all adjustable. I can take shots down there. Really nice bit of gear. I've got a job to do here from work. It's a catalytic converter of a little Vauxhall Corsa, and you can see it's clearly got a crack right through it. The cat still works. That's cast iron, that's steel. It's welded with a similar rod of some description. I'll clean it up and weld it with a stainless rod. There's like, these are £100 to buy trade, so it's well worth spending a little bit of time fixing it up. It's just a young lad who runs the car. He's having a lot of money to play with, so I'll clean it up and see if I can weld it. It's not the prettiest weld I've done, but it's not bad. It's welded with stainless steel. Unfortunately, if I got to turn the camera on when I was welding it, it would have been quite a good shot. Anyway, I don't think it's going to give any problems. one more item I bought. It's a tire inflator made by Dunlop. It's quite an old one, but these just carry on working. They don't give any problems. These are very expensive, but we do with a spare one at work. Put a new hose on it and clean it up. That'll be very handy. We only paid £1 for it. If it doesn't work, it's worth £1. One last item. It's not a car boot sale item. My friend Bob gave us it. It's a 3/16 brooch. I'll make a bush for it and probably do a little bit of video showing how these work. It's for cutting keyways, that's what it's for. A brush for cutting keyways. They come in sets, they're very expensive. This one being 3/16. 3/16 is a good size for the sort of models I make and the sort of machine work I do. So I'm sure that will come in very handy. Thanks once again, Bob. This is the gas plug I got from the car boot sale last weekend. So we're into the hole in there now. Cumberland sausages, steak burgers, chicken, garlic and pepper sauce. No.
What are you doing? Onions? Do you like onions? No.
Do you like mushrooms?
No.
Do you like sausages?
Yeah.
Do you like burgers?
Yeah.
Do you like chicken?
Yeah.
Let's see.
I can see it.
Can you?
Yeah.
This is ready, Deb. So this is ready.
Well, the burgers are just done.
The burgers are done.
So
The sausages.
now we need to do the sausages.
The sausages are done.
But we're still waiting on the chicken. That one's fell apart. Like you could have accidentally picked that one up and put it in the sausages. Because it was in line like a sausage, wasn't it?
It was. This is the spicy chicken and that's the ordinary chicken.
So the spicy chicken's done, but the ordinary chicken isn't. So you're gonna have to wait a little bit of the ordinary.
Anybody that watches my channel probably watches Adam Booth, Airborne, Tom Lipton, Keith Fenner. You realise when you watch Adam that there's been a big meeting in America of quite a few of the YouTube creators. I would love to have been there myself, but circumstances being what they are, I just couldn't make it. Possibly next year. One of the highlights of the meeting, I saw in the video anyway, was the 4-jaw chuck challenge between Tom Lipton and Adam Booth, where they had to dial in something in the 4-jaw chuck as quickly and accurately as they can. Naturally Adam won, but being as what Adam uses a 4-jaw chuck every day, you'd expect him to win. He is good with a 4-jaw chuck. I'm not bad with a 4-jaw chuck, but I don't do it all the time, so I'm not obviously not as good as Adam. There is a way to set a 4-jaw chuck up very accurately without being, how to put it, skilled or used to using a 4-jaw chuck. I did a video 2 or 3 years ago showing how to set up a 4-jaw chuck. I've got better cameras now and I've got a better lathe and I can edit things better. So I think what I'll do is I'll do another one just to show you how easy it is to get things set up in a 4-jaw chuck. A lot of people are frightened of 4-jaw chucks because it takes them ages to get things set up. They keep turning the chuck key the wrong way and they just get frustrated. You often find 4-jaw chucks lying at the bottom of layers. They never get used because people not so much can't be bothered to use them, they just use a 3-jaw chuck and that's it. Anyway, what I'll do, I'll do some video. I might get it put up tonight or one night next week showing you how I set up things in a 4-jaw chuck, or how it is possible to set things up in a 4-jaw chuck quickly and easily and get them very accurate. You still need a certain amount of skill to dial them in the last, when you start breaking thous, but you can get within 2 or 3 thou very easily. As usual, I'd like to say a massive thank you to everybody who's not only supported my channel but also sent in presents and well wishes from all over the world for my wife Deb. It really has made a massive difference. It's lifted our spirits, it's lifted my spirits. It just goes to show there's some really nice people out there. Anyway, once again, thanks very much. Which you can put in any intoriation. You have 3 legs which you can put in any orientation. What's the word?